नमस्कार मुलांनो, सावित्रीबाई फुले शिक्षण प्रसारक मंडळ संचालित रेणुका हायस्कूलमधील मी सहशिक्षका श्रीमती पाटील विजय. क्लास 10 मॅथमॅटिक्स पार्ट 1 लेक्चर 10. टॉपिक नेम चॅप्टर 2 प्रॅक्टिस सेट 2.4 and some example solve. Practice set 2.4 example number first. Compare the given quadratic equation to the general form and write value of a, b and c. Then example number first, x square minus 7x plus pi is equal to 0. General form of the quadratic equation is x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Compare x square minus 7x plus pi is equal to 0. Then x coefficient is a, x square coefficient is a, then x coefficient is b, and sum of this number is y, c. Therefore a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 7 and c is equal to 5. Second example, twice m is equal to 5m minus pi. General form of this quadratic equation is x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then 2m minus 5m plus 5 is equal to 0. Then a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus pi and c is equal to 5. Third example, y square is equal to 7y. Then simplify this, y square minus 7y plus 0 is equal to 0. Then compare this equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 7 and c is equal to 0. Then question number 2, solve using formula. Example number first, x square plus 6x plus pi is equal to 0. Answer, x square plus 6x plus y is equal to 0. On comparing with the equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then a is equal to 1, b is equal to 6 and c is equal to 5. Now b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Substituting this value a, b, c, 6 square minus 4 into 1 into 5 is equal to 0. Therefore 6 square is 36 minus 20. Then b square minus 4ac is equal to 16. Then write down the formula. Therefore x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by twice a. Substituting this value, b under root b square minus 4ac or a. Then next step, therefore x is equal to minus 6 plus or minus under root 16 divided by 2 into 1. Then x is equal to minus 6 plus or minus 16 under root is 4 divided by 2. X is equal to minus 6 plus 4 divided by 2, or x is equal to minus 6 minus 4 divided by 2. Next step, therefore x is equal to minus 2 by 2 and x is equal to minus 10 by 2. Divided by 2 is, therefore x is equal to minus 1 or x is equal to minus 5. Second example, 3m square plus twice m minus 7 is equal to 0. Then compare this equation, and a is equal to 3, b is equal to 2 and c is equal to minus 7. Now b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. b square is 2 square minus 4 into 3 into minus 7 is equal to 2 square is 4 minus minus plus 4 3s are 12 and 12 7s are 84. 4 plus 84 is equal to 88. Write down the formula. X is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by twice a. Then next step, therefore x is equal to minus 2 plus or minus under root 88 divided by 2 into 3 is equal to minus 2 plus or minus 88 multiplies 4 multiplied 22 divided by 6. Minus 2 plus or minus 2 under root 22 divided by 6. 4 under root is 2. 4 square root is 2. Then 2 is common, into bracket minus 2 into bracket 1 plus or minus under root 22 divided by 6. Then 2 divided by 6 is 2 3s are 6. Then answer is x is equal to minus 1 plus under root 22 by 3 or minus 1 minus under root 22 by 3. Example number third, x square minus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. Compare this equation and value ABC is a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to minus 2. Now b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Substituting this value ABC is equal to minus 3 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 2 is equal to 9 plus 8. Then sum of these two numbers is 17. Write down formula. Therefore x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by twice a. Therefore x is equal to minus 3 plus or minus under root 70 divided by 2 into 1. X is equal to minus 3 plus or minus under root 17 by 2. Then this value is x. Example number 6. 5x square plus 30x plus 8 is equal to 0. On compare with the equation x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, a is equal to 5, b is equal to 30 and c is equal to 8. Now b square minus 4ac is equal to 13 square minus 4 into 5 into 8 is equal to 169 minus 160 is equal to 9. X is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by twice a. X is equal to minus 30 plus or minus under root 9 divided by 2 into 5 is equal to minus 30 plus or minus 3. 9 square root is 3 divided by 10. X is equal to minus 30 plus 3 divided by 10, or x is equal to minus 30 minus 3 divided by 10. Therefore x is equal to minus 10 by 10, or x is equal to minus 16 by 10. Therefore x value is minus 1, or x value is minus 8 by 5. Example number third. With the help of the flow chart given below, solve the equation x square plus 2 under root 3x plus 3 is equal to 0 using the formula. Answer: x square plus 2 under root 3x plus 3 is equal to 0. X square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A is equal to 1, b is equal to 2 under root 3 and c is equal to 3. B square minus 4ac is equal to 2 under root 3 minus 4 into 1 into 3 is equal to 4 under root 9 minus 12 is equal to 2 into 3 minus 12. Then 6 minus 12 is equal to minus 6. Now minus 10, 12 minus 12 is equal to 0. Then x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by twice a minus 2 under root 3 plus under root 0 divided by twice a 2 into 1 minus 2 under root 3 divided by 2, then under root 0 is 0. Then 2 get cancelled, then x is equal to minus 3 or plus 3. The relation between roots of the quadratic equation and coefficient. Alpha and beta are two roots of equation x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then alpha is positive numbers and beta is negative number. Then alpha is minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, and beta is minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by twice a. Then alpha plus beta is value minus b by a, and alpha into beta is value is c by a. Then this formula. Next lecture 11, topic name chapter 2nd, practice 2.5. Thank you.